In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can hide author name in WordPress post. So this is the name of author. To hide this, just right click and then click on inspect. Now on the top, click on this icon and then select the author name. Now on the right side, here you will see span class author name. Just copy the author name, select the author name class. Now close it. Now go to customize. On the left panel, go to additional CSS. I will share this code in my description box. After that, click on publish. And there you go. So that's how you can hide author name on WordPress post. Hope that this video helped you out. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.